Hi, Remy with MantelMount. Here I'd like to describe the AB40 Adapter Bracket. One application for this accessory is as a horizontal adapter for the MantelMount 340, 540, and 700. Most common installations are on a vertical wall, but this horizontal adapter provides a 90-degree bridge between the wall plate and the lifting arm. This allows the wall plate to lay flat and attach to a horizontal surface such as a large shelf or inside a recessed alcove. When MantelMount is installed with the AB40 into a recessed alcove, the wall plate is located near the front of the opening so that only the lifting arm is inside the alcove. The TV can be any desired size because the TV is located outside the alcove. Please note that the MantelMount 700 bolts directly to the AB40, but the MantelMount 340 and 540 require the SSB40 wall adapter to provide the correct mounting holes. Another application for this accessory is as a pass-through support for MantelMount 340, 540, and 700. The pass-through support is for custom builds where it can pass through materials that are not strong enough to support the weight of MantelMount. Some examples of this type of wall cover are thin brick facades or simulated stone panels made from foam. The AB40 attaches directly to studs in the wall that are located specifically for the AB40 when the wall is built. The face of the AB40 is set to the thickness of the facade. Then the facade is installed right up to the side of the AB40 and result in a small footprint to attach MantelMount. Please note that the MantelMount 700 bolts directly to the AB40, but the MantelMount 340 and 540 require the SSB40 wall adapter to provide the correct mounting holes.